Hi, I'm Taylor.
Hi, I'm Douglas.
Hi, I'm Nicole.
Hi, I'm Chau.
We're Group 3 from BME 405, and our senior design project is Health Connect. Health Connect is a cardiac monitoring system. The goal is to provide faster emergency services response time in the event of an emergency situation. It is accomplished through cardiac monitoring using a pulse oximeter for both heart rate and blood oxygen saturation, as well as an accelerometer to detect severe falls that may occur in case of a cardiac incident, and a GPS to track the location of the user to be sent to emergency services in case an alarm is triggered. Should one of the sensors detect an incident, it will trigger an alarm and send the GPS coordinates to emergency services. The market for this product is adults ages 50 and over, or those who have a family history of maybe a heart condition or need closer monitoring. It also enables individuals to live alone with ease, because that way they'll know that they have assurance that help will come if they're worried about a heart condition.
Okay, so our device has three main components or three main sensors. The first one is the pulse oximeter. It has a wrist Bluetooth unit and a finger measurement light sensor, and what that does is it gives you your blood oxygen saturation level and also your heart rate. And our second sensor is the accelerometer. The average accelerometer measurement is 9.8 meters per second due to gravity. So in the case of a fall, it usually jumps up to acceleration of 17 meters per second. The last sensor that we have is a GPS sensor right here. This GPS sensor is just used to display the coordinates of the user's location.
So now we're going to demonstrate our product in use. This is the front panel that the user would see, and so you see it's very simple. All it has is the alarm in case something's triggered. It shows the heart rate as well as the pulse ox. And then this big button here is the reset in case an alarm is accidentally triggered and the user is actually okay, they're able to hit that. So now an alarm was triggered because Douglas fell, and the accelerometer detected around 17 meters per second for a fall. So the alarm goes off, the user has 10 seconds to hit this reset button, and then the alarm is disabled. The alarm will cool down before it can be triggered again in case it's disconnected or the batteries have died or something like that. Now we're going to trigger an alarm, Douglas, and we're not going to reset it. And so if you wait, the alarm will now go into emergency stage as indicated by the flashing, and then it will send GPS coordinates to emergency services. Right now, that's my email, which I can show you.
Here it is. There it is.
So here we have Health Connect 2016, title is 911, and it provides the GPS coordinates of where Douglas was when he just had his fall. And that way emergency services can know the location and they can respond much quicker. Ideally, in future applications, we'd have an actual emergency service network or group that we'd coordinate with who would provide these services, but for now, we just use email. This is the sub-VI for our pulse oximeter. As you can see, it shows both heart rate here and then the blood oxygen saturation. It also displays your heart rate up here on a graph. And so that's incorporated into our main VI, but the user doesn't see it because it's not necessary for their day-to-day interactions. When the VI is stopped running, it collects all of the data onto this Excel document. So you see here is the heart rate, the blood oxygen saturation, and the accelerometer data. So if the user wants to go into the doctors after having maybe a cardiac incident, or if they've been feeling some chest pain, they can bring in this data, their doctor can review it with them, and they can determine if they're at any sort of a health risk or if some sort of cardiac incident may occur again. So hard not to swivel.
Wait, I need a fall?
And that's because it, moving on.
Okay, fall. And he said it's a heart attack.